Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, in the previous lesson, you were asked to write the synonyms and antonyms of the given words. Now this is the time to give you feedback regarding these activities. Dear students, the first word was fast. Synonym of the word fast is hasty. Collect, gather, continue, advance, harmful, damaging, produce, yield. And the words antonyms, the word is fast, antonym of fast is slow, collect, distribute, continue, disconnect, harmful, helpful, produce, destroy. Dear students, now you are going to be dictated. Take your notebooks and be ready. After the dictation, you will check it and you will pause the video and check the spelling yourself. And then I will give you the feedback. Students, the first word is constituents. Constituents. Next, magnitude. Magnitude. Next, revolution. Revolution. Immense. Immense. Offensive. Offensive. Adversely. Adversely. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Aquatic. Aquatic. Prevented. Prevented. Poured. Poured. The students, now pause the video and check the spelling and I give you the feedback. The students, this is the feedback. Constituents, constituents. Magnitude. Revolution. Immense. Offensive. Adversely. Atmosphere. Aquatic. Prevented. Poured. The students, now you will solve the activity B. Tick the correct option. There are 5 statements that you are going to find the correct answer. Find the correct answer, then I give you the feedback. The students, the main causes of pollution are huge industrial installation, introduction of faster modes of transport, spreading of large crowded cities, and the D option is all above. D option is the correct option. Second statement, smoke containing poisonous gases is the cause of air pollution. This is option A. Statement number 3, the sewage is a major source of water pollution. Noise is usually defined as any unwanted sound. The major source of noise pollution is workshops. The students, now you will solve exercise D, activity D. There are 4 statements. You will fill the blanks and I give you the answer. Dear students, this is the feedback. Give 4 examples of air pollution. The first is smoke, B, dust, gases, and odors, that smells. Give any 4 water pollutants. The first is domestic waste, then industrial waste, dead remains of plants, dead remains of animals. List any 2 harmful effects of air pollution on human health. Air pollution causes respiratory diseases. Air pollution causes skin diseases. List any 2 harmful effects of water pollution on fish and other aquatic life. Water pollution destroys aquatic life, both animals and plants. Dear students, this is the end of this lesson. And now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Dear students, take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.